Hi everyone, today I will be explaining about the assembly language programming. Assembly language is a low level language that allows direct control of the CPU and hardware. It closes machine code and is mainly used to embed system like 8051 microcontrollers. Using assembly helps optimize performance, reduce execution time, and manage hardware resource efficiently. The statements are increment loop, decrement loop, bitwise XOR operation, even and odd check. Let's take increment loop as example. We start by storing memory location 84H. When keep incrementing it using INC. After each increment, we compare the value with 0AH using CJNE instruction. If it not equal, the loop repeat. When it reach 0AH, the program ends. The loop worked correctly and the increment loop uh, successfully differentiated sensor value. Result, we verified the memory window and register view. Conclusion, I learned how to use register efficiently, handle flag for conditions, and design simple yet powerful programs for the low level control. In future, these techniques can be extend for large embedded application like sensor control and automation system. Thank you so much.